Let's pack our bags, we're going to the beach. The sun is shining, the sand within our reach. Put on your sunscreen, hats and shades. We're gonna have fun in so many ways. It's a beach day, hooray, hooray. Splash in the waves and play, play, play. Build sandcastles and laugh out loud. A day at the beach makes us so proud. Let's find some seashells, all different shapes. Run along the shore, feel the water escape. We'll play with beach balls, jump in the tide. With every splash, we'll smile so wide.